Hey Sport Clubs, we're going to talk about how to reserve a meeting room on campus or how to reserve a field for one of your practices, games, or tournaments. So the first thing you're going to want to do is see if it's available. And how to do that is to check the space availability page. You want to go to UC Davis reservations, click the CES button, and you're going to want to ignore everything else on this page except for this space availability page. Click here. Now you're going to want to search a building. Most of the time, if you're doing a conference room in the ARC, you're going to go into ARC Activities and Recreation Center. If you're looking for a field, you're going to want to look to Recreation Fields. So you're going to want to click that. Don't worry about the room number. Enter your date and see what's available. As you can see, if you're looking to book Russell Field from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m., that is already booked, so that's not available. If you want to book Dairy Field from 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock, that space is available. To search for a different date or time or facility, click this button here, and it'll take you back to this page. If you did click the room number, it will give you a specific field to choose from. Again, I wouldn't suggest doing that because you can see what else is available for that date. So if I wanted to check an ARC reservation room instead, I can see what's available during this time. As you can see, everything's booked from 6 a.m. to 1 p.m., but everything's available after that time. Once you've found your meeting space that you'd like to reserve, you'll send an email to Mike Dominguez. Make sure you include if it's a room reservation or a field reservation, and explain what you would like to do. If you need AV, please include that in your email for a meeting room. AV will be a $15 charge automatically out of your allocation fee. If you don't need AV, please include that as well because that's a communication we need with the building supervisors. Once you're done with that, send your email and I'll get back to you within 48 hours. Thanks.